May kembot ako. My ex-boyfriend, now husband, and I watched a special preview of Bar Boys, a new musical by Pat Valera and Mike Salomon based on the 2017 film by Kip Obanda. Sidebar, tinanong ako ng Sikyo kung ako ba daw yung nasa play. Hindi po, si Sheila Francisco po yan, West End actress and stage veteran. She played Justice Hernandez in Bar Boys na kayang magpaiyak ng estudyante with a look. Pareho po kaming maganda. So the performance is in a black box, as in mararamdaman mo yung yanig ng stage. You can see the spit and heat from the actors' mouths when they sing, and you can see the tears fall from the actors' faces, kahit yung ensemble. Very intimate and up close. The stage was always busy with movement, which I found impressive considering the audience was in two directions. The play is about the journey of four friends who aspired to be lawyers. The synopsis you can read online, so I will jump to my personal reflections. The play is universal. Hindi lang para sa mga gusto maging abogado, pero para sa lahat ng may pangarap abutin para makatulong sa kapwa. Ganon din naman ang journey kahit na walang board exam ang bukasyon. The main characters struggled with school, family, and themselves. Life has many ways of testing you, corrupting you even. Nag-iiba yung stand mo sa buhay dahil ganon talaga ang sistema, hindi ka na bata at naive, hindi lang naman ikaw, marami rin ganon, at marami pang ewang logic. Talagang pagdadaanan mo yon habang tumatanda ka at sana hindi ka magpadala sa dark side. I enjoyed the humor, maraming laugh out loud moments. Palagi ko nga sinasabi, in live theater, funny is funnier and sad is sadder. I got teary-eyed at the scenes na the students were interacting with their parents. Syempre, as a parent to adult children, nakarelate ako. The play is timely. Malapit na kasi ang eleksyon at maraming congressional hearings. So, maraming naglalako ng sarili nila na may concern sila sa taong bayan. Kung totoo yon, ano ang pag-aaral o paghahanda nila? Ano na ang ginawa nila para sa kapwa na hindi lang one-time ayuda? Ano ang mabuting pagbabago na nagawa na nila ng sustained at wala silang personal na pakinabang? Manood kayo ng Bar Boys. The play is produced by Barefoot Theater Collaborative and it runs from October 4 to November 3 at the Power Max Center Spotlight Black Box Theater in Circuit Makati. Kahit na anong pangarap natin sa buhay, gusto mo mang maging abogado, doktor, teacher, mayor, congressman, kagawad, paalala nga nung tatay ni Eric, basta maging mabuting tao. Okay na yun. O diba?
Meow meow.